do you get the sense na parang ayaw nilang ituloy yung impeachment trial? Or baka
I
naman
get that.
legitimately, you get that sense ba?
I get that sense. Lalo na nung reset nga uli. And I get that sense nung bago yung election, yung election period, kasi ang palaging pag nag-uusapan noon, mukhang they will not get the numbers because we're supposed to target 16 members of the Senate. So siyam lang dyan ang magsabing mag-acquit, mag-vote for acquittal, that's it. Kasi required ang 16. So palagi yan nilang, and then all of this mga pronouncements din of some of the senators na mga magiging mga members of the impeachment court. We have heard them say which more or less telegraph to us kung ano yung magiging posisyon nila. Lantaran din sinasabi ng iba dyan, sila Senator Bato, Senator Robin Hood, na ganun nga, na hindi talaga magiging successful yung impeachment. So another matter na naman nga dyan, yung mga about inhibition. I don't know kung i-consider yan ng prosecution panel about the possibility of asking for inhibition of some members because of prejudgment. Pero ang importante, tumuloy. Ang importante, makita talaga ng taong bayan yung ebidensya. So, and then ang magiging play dyan, Christian, if I may, is again between technicalities and the substantive matter of accountability. Because it's easy to always invoke technicality and nag-override, nag-defeat ng substantial ends of justice. This is another clear example. Kung sakasakali ganyan nga ang mangyari na hindi na nila itutuloy because of that na hindi na daw Hong Congress.
Kung ang basa niya sa mga nangyayari, parang ayaw nilang ituloy impeachment trial, ano sa tingin niyo yung dahilan?
Could be several. The power play. The show of force ng Duterte camp. Kitang-kita natin yan. Tingnan natin yung sa SOCMED. Di ba palaging natatabunan yung mga, the sensible and more rational views, natatabunan lagi ng mga trolls, ng mga fanatics, and then the election results and leadership battle sa Senate. We don't know how it's very possible that it's weighing in, that it's a factor. Yung mga laro dyan about the Senate leadership. Will SP Cheese Escudero be retained? Meron bang mga seryoso na mga contenders? Most probably. Meron seryoso targeting the Senate leadership. So again, it's about political interest, self-interest, self-preservation. Na pwede ba yun? Bakit kinakalimutan na nila yung saligang batas? Yung mga prinsipyo na napaka-importante, especially accountability.
Okay. Finally, Congresswoman, tanong ko na rin, no? Kasi sa pagpasok ng party list organization ninyo dito po sa 20th Congress, nakapag-decide na ba kayo kung sasama kayo sa majority or not?
That's being discussed. Meron talaga kaming meetings on that. Kasi nga, di ba, nagpaslabas ng parang press release si Deputy Speaker Suarez, and even mentioned there na kasama daw sa super majority ay 4 Liberal Party members. Wala pa kaming natanong na LP member na kino-confirm yan. Konti lang naman ang LP members, but none of them has actually confirmed that they did sign already. Because precisely, under discussion pa yan. Kasi 3 options, majority, minority, independent bloc. Now, my personal position is either nga minority or independent bloc. But Nag-ano kasi kami, ang consensus namin is that as much as possible, if this can be a collective decision of the party, kung kaya. Kung hindi, magiging personal choice, personal decision of each of the members. Sasali ba sa majority o sa minority? Saka wala naman, ano kasi, ang clear lang naman na talagang pwede under the rules and under per tradition is yung minority. Yung
Yeah.
independent block, that is something that happens once in a while, but not, this is not really part of the tradition and the rules.